Hello, my name is Liz McGee, and I'm reaching out asking if you are a believer who is very much now interested in Hebrew, what biblically can be called the pure language. I have a lot of understanding, teachings, and classes that will help unlock this world to someone who didn't grow up with it as a first language, even a second language. So I wanted to show you here how complex and beautiful our Torah is, because every number is a letter. But when you take the word like truth, which is what I'm reaching out to all those who are lovers of truth, emet in the Hebrew, it's made of three Hebrew words. It's made, or three Hebrew letters make up this word, emet, an aleph, a mem, and a tav. And aleph is silent, but it has an a sound, emet, and that's a mem, and that's a tav, emet. It has a gematria of 441. But the thing that's interesting is how Torah just is one huge galactic confirmation of itself. The aleph is the first letter of the Hebrew alphabet. The mem is in the middle, close to the middle, and the tav is the last letter. And so the word truth is embedded. It's the beginning and it's the middle and it's the end of all truth. Just love how you can make all these little connections all the time. The Torah does not disappoint. So if you're a believer, especially a believer in Jesus, Yeshua HaMashiach, this is a good channel, because I think I can try to piece together, synthesize together some of the different understandings, yet retain the truth, because there is only one truth, and it is available to all men who diligently seek him and keep his commandments.